Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reposition the toolbar in Goodnotes in 2026. Did you know you can move the toolbar in the Goodnotes to fit your workflow? For example, my screen is blocked, so I'm gonna go back in the no Goodnotes. Here, let's restart the application. Now we're just gonna go to here and click on the application. Now, to reposition the toolbar in Goodnotes, I'll show you the exact steps for maximum comfort. And before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the application Goodnotes. We're just gonna go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna look for the Goodnotes app. Once you find this, you're gonna make sure to click on install to install the application. And once it's installed, you're gonna click on open. Then you're gonna launch the app, and then you're gonna create a new document or edit an already existing one. For example, I'm gonna edit this notebook right here. You can click on the plus new button to edit a new notebook. Then you're gonna enter a notebook and locate the toolbar at the top of your screen. As you can see, this is the toolbar. It has the pens, the eraser, the text icons, etc. So you're gonna tap and hold the toolbar area, for example like this. We're gonna keep scroll or keep clicking. You can also handle the floating toolbar. As you can see, you're gonna click on hold it and drag it to a different position depending on your device. For example, this I moved it to the side. You can move it to the other side or to the top or the bottom depending on which device you're using. And in the toolbar, you're gonna find colors, you're gonna find pens, you're gonna find erasers, tools you must use in your everyday writing. Now, repositioning the toolbar helps you work more comfortable and efficient. So small changes like this can make a big difference. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.